Welcome back for another video tutorial series. So we have connected this demonstration PC to one of the LAN ports of the TP-Link AC1900 router. As such, the NIC has the DHCP enabled, yes, and it acquired an IP address of 192.168.0.100 from the DHCP server 192.168.0.1. It also presented itself as the default gateway 192.168.0.1 and as well as the DNS server 192.168.0.1. By using the ping command, we confirm that we have connectivity or reachability to the DHCP server, which is 192.168.0.1. With your preferred internet browser, so it could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, so it doesn't matter. So this is our TP-Link AZ1900 wireless dual band gigabit router, or EC330-G5U as on the title. Then on the address bar, so we will type in 192.168.0.1, so for this page to come out, and the first of the page to show is to type in the new password. Okay, so the note here is to ensure the safety of your network. It is highly recommended that you set up a strong new password. Passwords may contain 1 to 15 case sensitive letters and numbers. So let's just type in our password, so letters and numbers. So for the purposes of this demonstration, so we'll just put in some simple password, so it's on the middle, secured, okay, instead of high. So let's get started. So after supplying our router's new password, so we are given this menus, so quick setup, basic, and advanced. So under quick setup, so it will ask you for your connection type, so whether it's dynamic IP, static IP, PPPoE, L2TP, and PPTP. Thereafter, it's internet setup, wireless settings, summary, then connection test. If you don't wish to go through quick setup, so you can go to basic, and you have the network map. Okay, so currently checking whether there's internet connection. So if we do have wireless clients or wired, so in this example we only have one wired, which is this demonstration computer. So if you scroll down, so internet status is disconnected because I haven't connected any to its one port, so it doesn't have any connection type, IP address, DNS server, and gateway. So it also shows the firmware version and the hardware version. So under the basic, you have network map, so this is your network map. So it's dual band, so you have 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Next will be your internet, so it supports VLAN, so you could enable this. So these were the choices presented under the quick setup: PPPoE, static IP, dynamic IP, L2TP, and PPTP. Next is wireless, so by default it's checked the two bands, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So you could supply the network name or SSID, so by default it has already this TP-Link, but of course you might want to change. And of course the password for your Wi-Fi network, so both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Next is USB sharing, so you have USB storage device and 3G, 4G settings. So here in our USB storage device, so you could connect a USB storage device like a flash drive to the router to share files, photos, music, and videos with any device on your local network, be it wireless or wired. So you have some setting here for folder sharing, sharing all, and providing some authentication, and you'll have some folder names here. Next, under USB sharing is 3G, 4G settings. So obviously it's unavailable for the current operation, so please enable 3G 4G backup or change the operation mode. So you have this enable as a backup solution. So by connecting a compatible USB modem, 3G 4G USB modem, your router can serve as a mobile broadband gateway using cellular data as a backup when your main internet fails, or your primary internet connection could be also as it this one, the 3G and 4G. So next is parental control. So under USB sharing, you have parental control. So you could enable parental controls and it will show the devices that are under parental control. You could add, delete. Again, this is a walkthrough video. We'll just go through the menus and settings, and in later videos we will configure these settings. So you have also content restriction.